Welcome to Buyer's Guide. The best electric engraver is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools for anyone looking to add a personal touch to their belongings, from jewelry and metalwork to wood and even glass, offering a precise and permanent way to mark, decorate, or identify items with unparalleled ease and accuracy, making it a must-have for hobbyists, DIY enthusiasts, and professionals alike who value creativity and customization in their projects. Number 5. Dremel 290-02 Engraver Rotary Tool. Introducing the Dremel Engraver, your perfect partner for adding a personal touch to any item. It's designed to help you create unique designs with ease. This tool is incredibly versatile, capable of engraving a wide range of materials. From wood and leather to metal, glass, and even stone, it handles it all. Achieve the perfect stroke every time with its 5-position adjustable depth dial. It allows for anything from delicate lines to deep, impactful grooves. Enjoy extended use thanks to its lightweight, pen-like design and soft grip body. It's built for comfort, even during long engraving sessions. Your purchase includes a carbide point and a letter number stencil template, making personalization and decorative engraving simple right out of the box. We stand behind our product with a 2-year warranty and dedicated US-based customer service. You can rely on us for support whenever you need it. What we like. This engraver offers precise control over engraving depth, allowing for both fine lines and deep grooves. If you're looking to personalize items with intricate details or create decorative designs on various materials, its comfortable grip and included stencils make it a user-friendly choice for DIY enthusiasts and crafters. What people say. This engraver is very easy to use, even for beginners. The adjustable depth setting allows for precise control over the engraving. It comes with a variety of bits for different materials and tasks. Number 4. 121D Variable Depth Carbide Engraver. Introducing the WEN21D Variable Depth Carbide Engraver, your go-to tool for detailed work. It's designed for effortless engraving on a wide variety of materials. This versatile tool is perfect for engraving plastic, metal, glass, ceramic, leather, and wood. Achieve professional results on almost any surface you can imagine. Easily control the length of the engraving stroke with the convenient depth adjustment dial. This feature allows for precise customization of your work. Its 13-watt motor delivers up to 7,200 strokes per minute, ensuring powerful and efficient engraving. Tackle any project with confidence. Weighing just 9 ounces and featuring a soft touch grip, it offers exceptional comfort and easy handling. You can engrave for extended periods without fatigue. This engraver comes complete with a 2-piece stencil set and a durable tungsten carbide tip. You'll have everything you need for powerful and reliable engraving right out of the box. What we like. With its variable depth adjustment and lightweight design, this tool ensures comfortable handling for extended use. If you need a reliable engraver for a variety of materials like plastic, metal, or wood, and appreciate a tool that's easy to maneuver, this option provides consistent performance for your engraving projects. What people say. The engraving is precise and clean, making it easy to mark tools and personal items. It's lightweight and comfortable to hold, even during extended use. The adjustable depth control allows for fine-tuning the engraving on different materials. Number 3. HARDELL Mini Cordless Rotary Tool Kit, Pink 69 PCS. Introducing the HARDELL Mini Cordless Rotary Tool Kit. This versatile tool is perfect for all your fine DIY projects, offering a wide range of accessories for various tasks. With 5 adjustable speed settings, you can easily select the perfect speed for any job, from sanding to polishing. Achieve the power you need for different scenarios. Designed to be compact and lightweight, it feels like holding a pen, providing ultimate control and comfort. Take it anywhere and use it whenever inspiration strikes. The built-in rechargeable battery offers over 200 minutes of use on a single charge. Its USB charging makes powering up simple and convenient. Work with precision even in dimly lit areas thanks to the integrated LED light. It eliminates shadows, ensuring a better experience and more accurate results for your projects. This tool is ideal for detailed work like sanding, polishing, drilling, and engraving. Please note, it is designed for fine craft projects, not heavy-duty tasks. What we like. This mini cordless rotary tool is perfect for detailed fine work and offers the convenience of USB charging. If you value portability, precision, and the ability to adjust speed for different tasks, its compact size and LED lighting make it ideal for intricate DIY projects where control and visibility are key. What people say. The engraving is precise and clear. It's easy to control the depth of the engraving. The ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold for extended periods. Number 2. NEIKO 10576A Handheld Electric Engraver. Introducing the NEIKO 10576A, your go-to tool for detailed engraving. Its sharp tungsten carbide tip ensures clean, precise results on various materials. This versatile tool works wonders on wood, plastic, metal, glass, and more. It's perfect for crafting, jewelry making, and personalizing everyday items. Designed for comfort, its lightweight body and soft grip allow for extended use with minimal fatigue. Enjoy a natural, pencil-like feel for easy operation. Unleash your creativity with the included stencils, featuring numbers and shapes. Easily add artistic touches or simple labels to your projects. Customize your engraving with 5 adjustable stroke depth modes. Achieve deep, lasting etches or delicate marks on fragile materials with ease. From intricate designs to simple personalization, this electric engraver is the perfect addition to your toolkit. Experience precision and versatility in one handy device. What we like. Featuring a sharp, replaceable tungsten carbide tip and adjustable stroke depth, this engraver delivers clean, detailed results. If you're looking for a tool that minimizes arm fatigue and offers precise control for custom labeling or artistic customization on a wide range of surfaces, its ergonomic design and included stencils are a great advantage. What people say. The engraving is precise and clean, making it easy to mark metal and plastic. It has a comfortable grip and is lightweight, which reduces fatigue during extended use. The adjustable depth setting allows for varying levels of engraving, from light etching to deeper cuts. Number 1. USB Rechargeable Mini Electric Engraver. Introducing our USB Rechargeable Mini Engraver, your go-to tool for detailed craftsmanship. Its cordless design offers freedom and convenience for all your projects. This compact engraver is powered by a USB rechargeable battery. Enjoy up to 30 minutes of cordless operation on a full charge, perfect for intricate work. With 35 included bits, it's designed to engrave on a wide variety of materials. Effortlessly etch designs onto jewelry, stone, metal, plastic, wood, and even resin. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip for precise control. Making detailed engravings has never been easier, allowing you to achieve professional results at home. This cordless rotary tool is your ultimate companion for personalized creations. Experience the ease of USB charging and the flexibility of wireless engraving. What we like. This USB rechargeable engraving pen offers cordless freedom for up to 30 minutes of idling after a full charge. If you need a portable and versatile tool for engraving jewelry, stones, metal, plastic, or wood, and appreciate the convenience of USB charging and a wide array of included bits for various craft needs, this is a solid choice. What people say. The engraving is precise and clean, making it easy to mark various materials. It has a comfortable grip and is lightweight, allowing for extended use without fatigue. The adjustable depth control provides versatility for different engraving tasks, from delicate lines to deeper cuts. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.